welcome to the channel. I'm Jill. If this is your first time here, I do home decor, fashion, and lifestyle. If that sounds like something you're interested in, and after the end of this video you feel like you love what you see, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and become part of the family. To my new subscribers and my JS family, hugs and blessings to you. Hugs and blessings. So you guys, today I am decorating my, if you follow me, you know there's kind of controversy about what this room is. I call it a sunroom. My husband called it a breezeway. It's the room between the garage and the kitchen. So call it what you will. So this is the space that I'm going to decorate. So I've dusted, of course, and cleaned it all. So we're going to start. I'm not super 100 on what we're doing, but I got some things around that I'm going to try to incorporate. So I'm not going to be chatty. Grab you a snack, a beverage if you want to. Let's get into this video. Okay, I think I'm going to start with this. This is actually a, why did my brain just go blank? Help me. Anyway, we're going to use this. You guys understand, I'm 59. So anyway, we're going to use this. I've already done my branches, so let's add that. I have these picks. So let's add a little drama. Let's see. So add this. We're just going to slide it in between. Might have to make this come around. We're just going to add that on in. We have these picks. So this one, add these like so. You may recognize these. I have this color downstairs in my office. So let's add some of these. Okay, so I'm trying to decide if I want to add ribbon. What do you guys think? Let's see. Let's see. This will let me know. Picks. So the other thing, I'm going to bring you closer so you guys can see. So then I'm going to add another element, and I'm going to add this wreath. Now I think I want to keep it plain. I think we'll see in the end. So I already have a hook here, so I'm going to put that on there. I'm a less is more kind of girl. So let's see something. I don't think I want the wreath to take away from the garland. So I may not put anything on here, so as not to take away from here. But now I need to do the bottom. Okay, you guys, this is the next day. This thing drove me crazy because I couldn't get it the way I wanted it, but I think I'm there. There are some things that I'm going to show you that if you choose to do something like this, you might like this idea. I didn't do it, but you may. So here we go. So as you can see, let me go back up. As you can see, I took the glass candle holders off. I just wasn't feeling it. And I added my fabulous Duke Deer. You know, he's quite popular right now. And I got mine at Big Lots. Yes, Big Lots. But you can also get him at Aldi's. You can, let me see, Big Lots, Aldi's. And there seemed like there's one other place I wanted to share with you. It'll come to me. You know that 59 done kicked in. But anywho, so this is my console table. So the idea that I wanted to give you guys that I thought about doing, but I did not. Down below I added a bowl with some matching ornaments. Is the garland around the picture. Now I have the garland attached by those are not cement nails. What's the right word? They go in concrete because that's a true brick wall. So I had to use those kind of nails. However, now what I would have done, but you guys, I got so much going on that I just didn't do. I thought it would be cute if I put like all along the garland, if I would have done different size bulbs or balls, whichever you like to call them, all the way down. That would have been gorgeous. So maybe next year. But I like this. I like this. Tell me your thoughts down below. Let me see. Let me get close again so that you can see it all. I know my green ribbon is hard to see. I have just gone green crazy, you guys. Green, 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 green. I know my sister Pam was like, I told you I love green, which she does. So this is my design for this table for Christmas. Now I'm not totally finished in this room, but for the most part, I got a lot of what I wanted done. You guys, this video is a Christmas Freestyle collaboration. It's hosted by Amethyst Adventures and decorating with Jazigreen. Now, the co-hosts of this collaboration are At Home with Lisa, Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle, Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and myself. The only thing that you are to do is choose the area in your home to decorate for the holidays and just have a blast. I'll have each lady's channels listed in my description box, so make sure you check them out along with the other participants. So let's get back to the video. Thanks so much for watching. You know I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.